I'm in relentless search for the perfect shot, the perfect film, the perfect moment. But the moment is ethereal. It evolves. It is forever changing. But once captured, time stops. And by preserving it, we have the opportunity to go back and relive that moment, to share it with others who weren't there to experience it with us. We can now forever seize this fleeting moment with a new legacy. My pursuit of capturing the world around me has helped open my eyes and expand my awareness. I try to pause, soak it in, and give thanks for this opportunity to share my efforts at preserving this incredible world we live in. I'm so thankful for this journey I've had, and I'm excited for the path ahead, capturing new films, new stories, and new moments.